Google I/O 2023 Recap. Everything you need to know about Google I/O 2023 showcased upcoming products and services, with a focus on AI and new Pixel hardware. The Pixel Fold, Pixel 7a, and Pixel Tablet were announced, along with improvements to Google Workspace and Google Search. Google's foldable smartphone, the Pixel Fold, was unveiled with a 5.8-inch cover screen and a 7.6-inch main screen. It has a Tensor G2 system on a chip, 12 GB of memory, and a 4,821 mAh battery. The Pixel 7a is almost identical to the Pixel 7, with a smaller 6.1-inch display, plastic back, and smaller camera sensor. It retails for $499 and it's likely to be a top option for people looking for a mid to high-end Android smartphone. The Pixel Tablet was released with pre-orders available for $499 with expecting shipping date of June 20th. It comes with a color-matched charging speaker dock and built-in Google Home features. Google showcased how AI can improve its services, Palm 2 and Bard, generative AI in Google Workspace, Google Search Labs. Google I/O 2023 highlighted Google's commitment to pairing AI technology with its products and services to offer an unrivaled user experience. Thanks for watching this video.